All right, so next up, we have one of the most creative projects I've seen during my time here. There's always there's always like some team that like wants to do some like crazy visual thing with VR has been the big fashion recently, and usually those projects sort of quickly become to-do lists or something more grounded. And this team did not do that. They actually made the immersive artistic VR world that they set out to do. So this is Spacechat.
Hi, I'm Elsa Brown, and my teammates are Stephanie Sunby, Nicole Fish, and Keziah Lewis. Together, we are the engineers behind Spacechat, a virtual reality chat room. In today's world, smartphones and browsers make it easy to talk with anyone, regardless of distance. But text on a screen can feel very detached, and communication often goes much deeper than words. What if you could magically understand anyone in the world? What if you could experience a conversation beyond words? With Spacechat, we created a virtual forum where users can interpret and experience speech with multiple senses. Users enter a digital world where they can speak in 12 languages using automatic real-time translation and simultaneously watch the emotional content of their conversation rendered dazzlingly in virtual reality. And now here's Stephanie, who will talk about how Spacechat works.
Thanks, Elsa. When a user first visits the Spacechat app, you select your preferred language from a drop-down of 12 options. You can then choose to enter one of 4 mysterious worlds where you will automatically chat with other users in your preferred language. Once inside of a virtual world, each space chatter hears all incoming messages spoken in her own preferred language. So if one person selects English but another is speaking in Italian, they can still seamlessly communicate and immediately understand each other. And in Spacechat, the virtual world also seems to understand you. As the conversation unfolds, the visual scene responds to the
Hi,
sentiment and
friends. I'm so
personality
happy to be
expressed by
chatting in
each user.
space.
مرحبا يا أصدقاء، أنا سعيد جدا لدردشتي في الفضاء.
Anche a me, ma mi fa molto triste che questo programma è quasi finito.
Me too. It makes me really sad to think this program is almost over.
I actually can't believe it went by so fast.
나는 그것이 정말로 빨리 갔다라고 생각할 수 없다.
Together, these two features allow users to bridge communication gaps and immerse themselves in a truly multi-sensory chat experience. And now Fish will talk about what's going on behind the scenes.
Thanks, Steph. There are a few things happening under the hood to make this happen. Each user device is connected to our server using WebSockets, a real-time engine that enables event-based communication. Once the chat begins, whenever a space chatter speaks, the Web Speech API in her Chrome browser captures her message and transcribes it. Our server receives this transcription through its connection to the client socket and processes it 2 ways. First, the server sends the text to be translated into the language of each space chatter connected to the chat room and broadcasts it out accordingly. When a space chatter receives a broadcast in her selected language, her browser speechifies the message, again using the Web Speech API. The server also sends the original text to be analyzed by Indico text APIs for personality, sentiment, and emotion. And now Keziah will tell you how Indico is used to render our VR environments.
Thanks, Fish. Indico uses machine learning to evaluate the sentiment and emotional alignment of the message, as well as predict the personality of the speaker. When the server broadcasts Indico's analysis to all users, the virtual worlds respond by changing color, size, or movement, depending on the conversation, to create a synesthetic and captivating communications experience. Consequently, each chatter's experience is as unique as they are. The virtual worlds are powered by A-Frame, WebGL, React, our limitless creative imaginations, and soon yours. We're happy to announce that soon anyone, anywhere will be able to contribute to Spacechat by designing their own worlds, and we look forward to your contributions. With Spacechat, we're excited to share our vision of smart chat rooms that connect and immerse people all over the world in multisensory understanding. Visit us at spacechat.tech or find us on GitHub. Thank you, and enjoy your time in space.
Wow, that was so creative, and I'm really speechless. I was thinking about what to say, but I thought it was just beautiful. The visual plus all the translation, and even the ending where it's like a a visual, beautiful way to connect across cultures and all kinds of things. Love it.
You're not even looking at it in VR.
Yeah.
I mean,
There's got to be drugs
I
involved.
don't even know if I should. I don't know if I should look at it in VR.
Yeah, I feel like this
Like,
is the kind of thing that like rewires your brain a bit as you're using it. I can this I can imagine like afterwards your dreams are just like yeah, it like programs your brain a little bit. Very cool.